Hello everyone, here we are going to cut these flower petals, paste a stick at the center and paste all the petals like this. Lift them from the corners and then we're going to make center yellow flower as well. Paste it like we're doing here in this video. We're going to paste the leaves. Your bouquet is ready. Paste a bow. Look at this beautiful flower bouquet. Let's make it by recycling old masks. So we're going to cut small shapes of the mask and put inside the pink clay like we're doing here. Use a pointy object. The flower is ready. Let's cut the leaves and paste it on the side. Now we're going to wrap it. Your flower bouquet is ready. Take this 10 cm yellow paper and fold it from the side. Now we are going to make 8 such shapes and paste all of them in a circle. Your flower is ready. Let's cut a circle for the center, paste leaves and wrap it. Your beautiful flower bouquet is ready. Here we are going to make this white flower bouquet. Let's get started. So we are going to take these shapes and roll all of them together. The white will become out and the green for the center. Now curve the edges using this bamboo stick. Your flower is ready. Wrap all of them and look, it is done. Look at this beautiful rose flower bouquet. Let's make it. So we are going to make the flower petals using tissue paper. Take this white tissue paper, fold it from the corners and make a strip like this. Make 9 such shapes and put them in the set of 3 like we are doing here in this video. Then we are going to tie all of them together. You can take out the mask wire or a thread in place of this and then separate each petal using your fingers. Lift the petals and your flower is ready. Take a toothpick and curve the edges like we're doing here in this video. You can also put different colors using a brush. Your flower is ready and then paste the leaves and stick, wrap it and it's done. Here we are going to cut this red foam net from the side and we are making the flower petals like this. Make 6 such petals and paste all of them on this blue A4 sheet of paper at the center. Lift it from the side. Take this yellow foam net, paste it and then it is ready. Wrap it, put the leaves as well and it's done. Take this ribbon and roll it around your 2 fingers. We are making a beautiful flower. Now we are going to tie a knot. So tie it at the center and remove your fingers. Now we are going to fold it and then we are going to separate each petal. Your flower is ready. Paste it at the center. You can also make the leaves using craft paper. Wrap it around and your bouquet is ready. Let's make flower bouquets. Take 6 red and 1 green pipe cleaner and then tie all of them together using the green one. Now we're going to twist the green part. We are making the sepal of the flower. After this, we're going to roll the red pipe cleaner and your flower is ready. After this, we're going to put the flower at the center. Paste leaves, wrap it. Your beautiful bouquet is ready. Let's make clay flower bouquet. So we're going to make the flower using red clay. Make these balls and put all of them in a circle. We're going to make 5 red balls. Press it like this and give it shape. Put a yellow at the center. Now paste all of them together. Paste the green leaves and then wrap it around. You can also paste a bow and it's done. Here we are going to cut this heart shape from cardboard and then paste double-sided tape on the top of it. Paste different flowers from the garden. It's a perfect activity for kids. Thank you so much for watching this video.